gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in my channel, I'd like to welcome you guys. Welcome to Glam by G76, and I hope you subscribe, please. So in today's video, guys, I'm doing a review about the teeth whitening product. As you all know, I'm obsessed with super white teeth. I have a naturally yellow colored teeth, so I'd like to use products that can make them white. But the problem I have is my gums, my upper and lower gums are very sensitive. I have tried going to the dentist. I have tried going to a dental hygienist to have them whiten my teeth, but I couldn't stand the pain, especially when they put the LED light. I have tried using the Crest white strips, and it didn't work for me as well because they hurt my gums, in short, so I couldn't use those products. And I have noticed that I can only use products with all natural ingredients, and I have tried quite a few. So a company called HiSmile, they got in touch with me and asked me if I want to review their product. And when I checked their website, I noticed that they're using LED light. So I was like, hold on, wait a minute, it's LED, and I know my gums are very sensitive when it comes to LED, so I have to think twice before accepting this product. But you know what I'm thinking? That's why I'm doing this review. I want to try it in front of you guys for the first time to see if the LED light from HiSmile will hurt my gum. So I got the product right here in front of me. So this is the box. So it's a cute box with the pink lips, and in front it says HiSmile. So I haven't opened the box yet. I will open it in front of you guys. But before I open it, I'd like to tell you something about HiSmile. So HiSmile is an Australian company. They claim that they can whiten your teeth with this product up to 8 shades. It's vegan friendly, there's no sensitivity, it's very convenient and safe to use. And they have international shipping. It says that you will find the result in the first 2 applications. I will open the box and now, so we will see what's inside this teeth whitening kit. I'm just gonna move like this so you can see. Okay, so inside the box, as soon as you open it, you get this paper that says, here's how it works. And then what's inside the box, I'm just going to show you quickly. So inside the box, you will find the LED light. There's the HiSmile gels. There's 3 of them. There's the mouth tray, the results chart, and the instruction manual. So now I'm going to open the instruction on how to use this product. And the instruction is, gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. So I have already brushed my teeth. Take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic, and reinsert battery to turn on. So I am taking out the LED. So I have to remove the plastic on the battery. So to open, there's an arrow at the back that will tell you which way to open and which way to lock. So it's straightforward. So I took out the cover. I'm removing the plastic off the battery right now, guys. So there's 2 batteries in there. So this is a 3V battery. So I'm just taking out the plastic. Okay, so I got it. So this is the plastic, so I'm just taking it out. Now I'm putting back the battery inside. Oh, did you guys hear that? So now I'm trying to lock. Oh. Okay. See? This is so fancy, guys. This is the light, the LED light. And I have to attach the mouth tray to the LED light. I'm just gonna get the mouth tray. So this is the mouth tray. Just gonna show you guys. You will have to insert this mouth tray with the LED light. So this is for the upper teeth and this is for the lower teeth at the back. Apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of mouth tray. I am now gonna get the syringe and it says 1/4. So there is a measuring line in the syringe that will tell you where is the 1/4. So we're gonna put it on top. There's a cover. Okay, I removed the cover of the syringe and now we're gonna put 1/4 on top and 1/4 at the bottom. So it's like a gel, guys. So 1/4 and I'm just spreading it and then I'm gonna do 1/4 again at the bottom. So I'm just putting it down. Relax and let the whitening process begin. So I have to put it inside my mouth and press it. And I have to wear this for 10 minutes. The LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up. So let's try it, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. I have rinsed my mouth and I have also rinsed the mouth guard. I made sure to clean it properly and remove the gel. And when I was looking at the mirror, I noticed that number one, my teeth are shinier. It's very, very shiny right now. But the only thing that I noticed, I have some parts of my teeth are still yellowish and then the other part are 2 shades whiter. So it's kind of weird. So when I was putting the gel, I didn't spread it evenly on both sides. So my teeth, like the left side of my teeth, like if you can see that this part is a little yellow and then the other side is more, it's like probably 1 to 2 shades whiter. So this is my first time, guys, so I didn't really pay attention in spreading the gel. So I know when I use it again tonight to make sure to evenly distribute the gel on both sides. But I think it really whitens like the right side of my teeth. And another thing, guys, the LED light, it didn't hurt my gums. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. The LED light didn't hurt my gums at all. And the gel tastes like toothpaste. It's very, very minty. It's like you put toothpaste on the actual tray. It smells so minty. It smells so fresh. And I just have to make sure to evenly distribute the gel. And I will update you in my description down below on how it improves or how it changes the color of my teeth. And I will also post a photo for my before and after so you can see the difference. For my first time in using it, I love it and it didn't hurt my gums at all. No hurting. The LED light didn't hurt my gums. So I'm gonna keep on using this until I finish all the 3 gels. So I'd like to thank HiSmile for sending me this whitening kit. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope you guys like this video. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!